進中外文化藝術交流。
我哋生活喺香港，好想將香港文化傳揚出去。
Hello, have you ever tried this local drink?
No, what is this?
No, what is it?
No, what is this?
This is Yuen Yang.
Wow, this is very good.
Thanks, Monica，誰能代替你地位？
我愛你，愛着你，就像老鼠愛大米，為你海洋嘅和平，也會從亞洲發展。
Coffee and tea is a perfect blend。中西音樂 let the rhythm extend， 文化融合 it will never end。
多元文化，千種情，兩文三語，溝通最真誠。